Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'll show how to recover deleted photos or restore deleted photos. If you want to recover or restore your permanently deleted photos, so let's see how to do that. I'll show some steps. You can follow my all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So first of all, go to your Google Play Store. Here you can see Google Play Store. Open it and then search deleted photo recovery app and then scroll down and then you can see deleted photo recovery app. Please open it. You can see deleted photo recovery app. Please install this app. And then open it. And in this time you can see image recover, audio recover, other recover, and then you can see start scanning. So click on it, start scanning, and then you can see settings. So click here settings and then turn on this option, allow access to manage all files. Please turn on this option. So click here and turn on and then go back and then you can see start scanning. So click here start scanning and in this time wait few seconds or wait few minutes. And then you can see image recover 5473 files and audio recover 1040 files and other recover 1080 files. Remember, open image recover files. So please click on it and in this here you can see your all deleted photos in this here. And in this time you can easily recover or restore your all deleted photos. So let's see how to do that. 429 pictures. I can open this folder. So click on it and click here in this option and in this here you can see your deleted photos and in this time you can easily recover or restore your deleted photos. So let's see how to do that. So first of all, select and choose your need photos. I can choose and selected my need photos. So let's see. Click on it and then click on it and then click here and then you can see restore all option. So click on it, restore all, and remember your recover and restore photos save on your phone gallery. Minimize it and go to your phone gallery. Here you can see gallery, open it and remember in this here save you recover or restore your all deleted photos and in this way you can easily recover or restore your all deleted photos. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.